What's that?
Watermelon.
Ultra watermelon.
Here's some and grab them. These are what I'm excited about. I want to try these chips.
Oh, they're the ones he was telling us about.
Yeah. Thank you for doing the work. Doing very excited. Cannot wait to hear you. Hope you enjoy the monster and the red chips. Louisiana thing. Beware the automatic seats, maybe. Cool. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep, thank you. Let's get these open.
Oh man.
Very good.
Oh, they got a little kick to them. Oh, real good. Woo!
What was your guess, Matt?
420.
Eric, what was your guess? 400.
Alright, I'll go 410.
I think 420 is pretty good. I was thinking 420, but I remember the last one being a little lower.
That's not normal.
Feels good to be a winner?
Yeah, you won. You definitely won.
That's better. Yeah, that's a little better.
Well, Kyle, what is this 2016 Chevy SS getting done to it?
This 2016 Chevrolet SS in heroin white
Heroin white.
is getting a cam. They call it that from the factory.
What, that cover?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
I can't imagine they do.
I think that cover's an add-on. Is it getting an exhaust too?
Already has an exhaust.
That's right, it has headers and shit already. So just a cam?
Just the cam.
Alright, done. Start it up.
Yeah, there's
Good to go. What'd you say?
I don't think I can do that just yet. Appreciate your enthusiasm though.
Kinda want to see you wrapped up the springs on this thing.
Yeah, they're all wrapped up nice and neat.
They are wrapped up. They're nice.
Wrapped up just in time for Christmas.
Dual Jones.
Yeah.
So what's left? Just fresh set of plugs and
Plugs, put the intake back on and fire this biatch up.
see what it ends up making.
What did baseline?
396, I think.
What? Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't there. So,
Yeah, I think
I don't know why I
396.
reacted that way. I wasn't there.
What'd you think your baseline?
I don't know. It seemed high, but I forgot I already had headers and stuff. Headers and intake on it.
Yeah.
Makes sense. It's nice numbers though for bolt-ons.
Probably make 450 when it's done.
Not bad. Not bad. The other one in the
think the
most
other one
recent
made
video was
460?
Yeah, almost 470.
That one had
Which
E.
is good.
though. I think that one had E. Didn't it?
No.
No?
No. We never do E on any cars.
I thought the guy like had a flex fuel sensor in it already or something.
I probably drained it out then. No point in doing E on a naturally aspirated LS.
Man, your hoodie sleeve is chewed up.
Want to know what that's from?
What?
Rocket Prep. Because I laid it on the ground. I laid it on the back of the dyno where all the fucking
Yeah, I did the same
excess
thing.
gets thrown off.
The rubber.
And I was like, because I went to pull it off, I'm like, oh, that's gonna be annoying. And I went and washed it, and then took it out. I was all fucked up, looking Freddy Krueger, fucking my shit up.
Yeah, that shit's.
I'm sorry, F my S up.
Oh
Can't
yeah.
go with hers.
Yeah, that guy doesn't want. That guy in the
Family
comments doesn't
friendly.
want you to cuss anymore.
Family friendly. Please let your kids watch these videos
You are cussing too much.
so we can tell your kids the joys of cursing. That's what I'm getting. People are like,
Yeah, I still
It's
have rubber on my sleeve.
yeah.
It's still there.
Mine got ripped, so
Mine didn't rip, luckily, but
yeah, I don't know how that happened, but it did.
you know, you got gypped on that snap-on quality, you know.
Whatever.
RPM
I
quality.
really like this hoodie too. You got like it's like a throwback logo on
Hey,
it.
listen, all I can say is my RPM hoodie held up. You know?
I was wearing it like out and about, but ever since this, I wear it out and about. Feel like a common street whore.
All right, 2016 Chevy SS came from Missouri. It is loud. I think it's got like, yeah, does this have the Solo on it also? It's got the Solo. Sounds like it, yeah, fucking loud. Anyway, I'm just reading this note that these people left. It says, hey RPM, thank you for working on my car and taking care of it. I'm very excited and cannot wait to hear her fire up for the first time. I hope you enjoy the monsters and the red hot ripples. It's a St. Louis thing. Yo, those chips were banging. Like, I don't eat potato chips like that. Like, not at least like very, very rarely do I eat potato chips. I ate some of them and they're awesome. Beware the automatic seats, you may be crushed. Sure people problems. Samantha and Brent. Yes, every time I turn the key on and off, I have to touch the seat so it doesn't crush me. 82,000 miles on this thing. I don't remember what this thing baseline, 380 something? 395. I don't know what was done to it. I think the headers, air intake, and the exhaust were already done to it. And I'm assuming a tune too, because we just did a full cam package. So everything that comes with that, oil pump, valve springs, whatever. Yeah, and then it came from Missouri. I'm still letting it warm up, so I'll be back. 452, 416, but the tack was all fucked up. Hey Matt, you want to fix the tack? And can you sing on your way to the dyno? He's not singing. You didn't hear me? I said, can you sing on your way to the dyno? I'll make a pull real quick. I won't even change anything actually. Perfect. 450, 425. See, this thing only got a cam, so it's not like it's gonna pick up 100 horsepower or something. Generally cam is 50 to 60, and I think it picked up 57 the first pull, so. I didn't do anything with timing. I just pulled a little fuel out of it. It's actually still a little rich. .458, 433 torque there. I actually haven't touched timing yet. Granted, I just did this exact combo like last week, so I just used the same timing map that was in that, and it's like perfect because it like gets very tiny little bit of knock, like 0.1 degree, so it's like right there. Actually, it didn't get any that time, but the run before like just touched it. This thing's picked up 63, I think, so far. I'll do one more, and then I'll do trans, I think, unless I need to make one more to look at some other stuff. 458 again, 430. I'm actually not changing anything in the tune right now. I'm simply doing, well, stuff in the tune, but only to make it shift better when I do the trans. I'm not changing like timing or fueling or anything like that. That's why it's not really going to pick up any power. But I'm going to flash this, and then I'm going to do a trans, and then I'm going to let it cool down, and then I'll do a final pull. This thing has a tire on it, so I'll probably go from second gear. Air fuel was perfect too as I was doing it. I'm gonna ask him to put a little VHT on it because it spun in second gear. Can you put a little VHT on it? It spun a little bit in second. Pretty good. It spun on the shift a little bit. That's why it looked so violent like that. I'm gonna let this thing cool down, and then I'll do a final pull probably right before lunch. It's 11:30, they go to lunch at 12, so I'll probably wait like a half hour and then do a pull. All right, final pull. Torque. I'm gonna call that good. It's a good number. All right, on to the next, later. Oh, if you see my Band-Aid, I got a 2.5-year-old daughter. So if you have something to say about it, I'll fucking smack you with the Band-Aid. Goodbye.